Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share calendar on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to make sure is that your iCloud calendar is turned on. So to do that, simply open the settings app and at the very top, tap on your name. Now from there, select iCloud and next tap on See All under Apps using Cloud and scroll down until you find calendars and ensure that it's toggled on because this is essential for creating and sharing calendars. Now that iCloud calendar is enabled, open your calendar app. After opening, you will see the date displayed along with any events you have already scheduled, like appointments and reminders. Now at the bottom of the screen, tap on Calendars. And to create a new calendar, simply tap Add Calendar in the bottom left corner and then select Add Calendar again. And give your calendar a name. Let's say to work in this date. And after that, make sure the account says iCloud. Remember, it must be an iCloud calendar to share it. And you can also add the person whom you want to share your calendar with by tapping on Add Person. And you can basically write their name. And once you're done with that, you can simply tap on Add. And once added, you can tap on their name to manage permissions. You can choose to allow them to edit the calendar, which means they can add or remove events, or you can even disable editing if you only want them to view the calendar. And one most important thing to note, sharing and collaborating work only with iCloud calendars. So if you are using a Gmail calendar like one for birthdays, then the sharing option won't be available. That's why it's crucial to ensure that the calendar is tied to iCloud. And that's it. Now you can basically share and collaborate on your calendar with ease, whether it's for work, family planning, or just staying organized. This feature is super handy. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.